The realm of aerial photography and consumer drones is about to experience a major shakeup. DJI, long regarded as a global pioneer in drone innovation, is reportedly preparing to unveil its next-generation ultralight drone, the Mini 5 Pro, following the footsteps of its predecessors in the Mini series. This highly anticipated compact flyer is rumored to bring a new era of performance, intelligence, and creativity to enthusiasts and professionals alike. But what exactly sets the upcoming Mini 5 Pro apart from previous models? Will it offer meaningful upgrades or just incremental tweaks? In this in-depth breakdown, we explore every known and rumored feature, from imaging breakthroughs and intelligent flight systems to battery longevity and aerodynamic enhancements. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to level up or a filmmaker seeking a reliable travel companion, this drone could be one to watch. Pushing boundaries, how DJI reinvented compact flight. Before diving into the specifics, it's important to understand how DJI's Mini line revolutionized aerial photography. The core appeal of the Mini series lies in its blend of portability and power, weighing less than 250 grams. These drones skirt around certain regulatory restrictions in many countries, allowing more freedom for users without sacrificing quality. From the original Mini to the Mini 4 Pro, DJI managed to integrate professional-grade features into a palm-sized machine. The upcoming Mini 5 Pro appears poised to not only follow this formula, but elevate it, aiming to be the most advanced drone ever made in the sub-250 grams class camera evolution. A giant leap in imaging? The biggest talking point surrounding the Mini 5 Pro is its camera upgrade. Previous models delivered excellent imaging performance. The new version may set a new benchmark for ultra-compact drones. Speculations suggest the camera system could incorporate a larger sensor, possibly a 1-inch or upgraded 1.3-inch. CMOs capable of significantly improved low-light performance, greater dynamic range, and increased detailed resolution. These kinds of improvements would appeal to serious content creators who rely on pristine aerial footage. Another potential highlight is a new lens system, wider aperture, potentially around f1.7, or even a variable aperture design could give users more flexibility when shooting in diverse lighting environments. Combined with HDR recording, 4K 60 FPS video capture, and 10-bit color depth, the Mini 5 Pro may deliver cinematic results that rival much larger drones. AI-assisted camera functions are also expected to evolve. Advanced subject recognition, smarter autofocus, and intelligent composition tools like automatic framing or scene adaptation may be integrated to simplify the creative process while maintaining a professional aesthetic. Flight intelligence redefined. Flight capabilities are becoming a cornerstone of modern drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is set to reflect that trend. If rumors prove accurate, DJI will be incorporating next-level artificial intelligence to make flying easier, safer, and more intuitive. We may see upgrades to gesture controls, allowing users to control the drone with simple hand movements. Real-time subject tracking is also expected to improve, offering more reliable and smoother object following even in dynamic environments. Autonomous filming modes, such as master shots and quick shots, will likely receive significant enhancements. These features, which automatically generate complex flight paths and editing effects, might use improved AI to tailor shots more precisely based on scene analysis and subject movement. Smarter obstacle avoidance and safer navigation. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro was its omnidirectional obstacle sensing, an incredible feat in a drone under 250 grams. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to take this even further. Advanced obstacle detection sensors could receive sensitivity upgrades and better positioning. This may allow for smarter, more predictive collision avoidance, including new vertical and diagonal awareness. Combined with the eye-based flight assistance, the drone may learn how to avoid hazards even in complex terrain like forests, cityscapes, or crowded event venues. Improved precision landing, auto-return accuracy, and smoother waypoint navigation are all on the table. All these would combine to reduce user error, improve safety, and enhance usability even for those new to drone flying. Endurance, and efficiency. A battery that keeps up flight time has always been a major concern for drone users, and DJI seems intent on addressing that in the Mini 5 Pro. Speculation points to a notable increase in battery life, possibly exceeding the 40-minute mark, a significant jump over the previous model's performance. This could be accomplished through a combination of new battery cell chemistry, smarter power distribution, and lighter components. The drone may also feature dynamic battery optimization, where AI predicts energy consumption based on wind speed, altitude, and user behavior to adjust power usage in real time. Additionally, DJI may introduce a redesigned smart charging hub, capable of rapid top-ups. This would be especially useful for travel videographers or professionals on tight schedules who need multiple quick sessions throughout the day. An aerodynamic and portable redesign wild, DJI is unlikely to deviate dramatically from the Mini line's foldable design. Refinements are almost certain. Expect subtle aerodynamic improvements aimed at reducing drag and increasing flight stability, especially in windy conditions. Material advancements may also play a role. The new frame could use lightweight composites that simultaneously improve durability and assist with heat dissipation. A re-engineered gimbal cover or camera protection system. This might offer added resilience during transport or rough landings. Early buzz also hints at an updated controller. While DJI's current RC options are excellent, a more ergonomic grip, refined haptics, and possibly a new screen interface could create a more immersive piloting experience. Enhanced signal range and latency reduction might also be on the cards. Workflow revolution for content creators. DJI appears to be doubling down on streamlining the user workflow. The Mini 5 Pro may feature tools that drastically reduce the time from shoot to publish. For instance, features like auto-editing using AI, quick sharing through built-in Wi-Fi, and direct cloud uploads could eliminate several steps in post-production. For vloggers, journalists, or marketing teams working on tight deadlines, this could be a game changer. Additionally, new third-party integrations may allow content captured with the drone to sync directly with editing platforms or social media channels. Think automatic highlight reels, instant video thumbnails, or even AI-powered voice overlays for quick narration. Pricing and availability in terms of release schedule. DJI's pattern suggests we may see the Mini 5 Pro emerge by late 2025 or early 2026. While the company has not officially confirmed these details, most industry watchers agree that this time frame aligns with the product cycle. As for price, the Mini 5 Pro will likely sit at a premium tier compared to its predecessors. Early estimates suggest a starting price close to $999 for the standard bundle. If DJI includes the upgraded RC2 controller or other pro-level accessories in the main package, prices could climb above $1,100, $1,200, depending on regional factors and configurations. The target audience, who should consider upgrading? With all the anticipated improvements, the Mini 5 Pro seems targeted not only at first-time drone buyers, but also at creators who demand professional results in a travel-friendly format. For filmmakers, vloggers, real estate professionals, and even surveyors, Mini 5 Pro could provide a solid upgrade path, especially if it lives up to its rumored camera quality and intelligent automation. That said, those satisfied with the Mini 4 Pro may want to wait and see whether the improvements justify the cost jump. Some users may not need every new feature, particularly if they fly casually or already have access to larger, more capable drones for intensive work. The verdict: a potential milestone for the Mini. Although DJI has yet to officially reveal the full spec sheet or design for the Mini 5 Pro, all signs point to a significant upgrade over the current generation. With a focus on refined imaging, smart automation, improved safety, and longer endurance, this drone could cement DJI's leadership in the lightweight drone category. If DJI manages to deliver on all fronts, camera performance, battery life, AI intelligence, and usability, the Mini 5 Pro may not just be a good compact drone. It could be the compact drone to beat for years to come, for drone fans and creators alike. The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases on the horizon. Keep an eye out for official announcements. And if you're considering investing in a powerful yet portable aerial tool, this might just be the moment to upgrade.